Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MVES. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 006. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 006, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the bulls can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point, and that sits down there at, let me make it easy, 005. So in the shorter term, 006, 005. Taking a step back, though, and looking at the big picture of things. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader, time horizon. But that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. I get it, the line is way down there, but as time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a big picture perspective, in a very simplistic way to just gauge the overall strength of the current price movement, simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control of the trend, no doubt about it. Again, if it could stay up above 006, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, the sellers today showed up right here at, I think, technically 0074, but let's just call it 0075. So 0075 is going to be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, top priority for the chart, in my opinion at least, is not necessarily breaking resistance levels, but just going through some healthy consolidations, building some higher bases. As long as higher bases are being built over time, then the rest of the chart will take care of itself. So very nice move today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.